Very warm welcome to Automation Expo 2022.
We have come with an empty basket after 2 years. We are going back with baskets full in the name of Yeshua.
My best wishes to all our exhibitors and conference speakers and the visitors for a successful show.
Automation exhibition showcases the power of collaboration between the solution providers, the engineering companies, and the actual user of the technology.
The space from which we have to capture and we have to invent, and the world should be after us.
We need to achieve 1 trillion of exports by 2030. That's where these exhibitions, these networking opportunities give each one of us the opportunities to grow up, to grow.
Sustainability to innovative technologies leading to net zero.
We really enjoyed looking at the new technologies coming up.
It's a disruption that's going to happen, which has not happened ever before.
In a span of 3-4 years, more than hundreds of projects are executed.
We can't remain isolated in India in the global economy, in the global footprint.
Manufacturing has to grow in India. It cannot stop its development because there is a threat to the environment or threat to the climate. We have much bigger threat.
We know that digital twin can help in getting an ideal condition to the actual condition. Net zero means everything zero.
With the offset of the COVID, I think people want many things which are digital.
And to make our industry IIoT based.
The arrangements have been good and definitely the organizing has been better.
Make it attractive was a major point over here, and that's where we thought of having some elements like this bike inspection happening. I think the IED team also helped us a lot in a lot of queries that we had.
Automation is doing justice because by providing us these kind of platforms,
provide the solutions which the industry requires, which the companies requires.
An automation exhibition is providing a very much good platform.
We are very excited to participate after almost 2 years. We are promoting 3I, that is integrated, intelligent and interactive.
The recommended show for the starters like us who want to expand and do the branding of their product to their target audiences.
And that's why the automation exhibition becomes a perfect fit for us.
I've been participating in Automation Expo for almost 3 to 4 years, and we always try to explore new opportunities, new client base and new applications obviously. So that's how we get breakthrough through this Automation Expo.
Coordination has been happened from organizing people from automation was really very good. Basically all information, all technology they have adapted like QR code scanning and everything. So all the preparations and everything have gone very smoothly, and we are very happy. It was almost seamless journey coming here and putting our stall over here basically.
Products. So we have come out with the electrical actuators, and what you could see here is cobots. So whatever is required for the industrial automation, we are coming out with solutions. Thanks a lot for the wonderful platform this you guys have created for us.
Till now our footfall has been good, so we wanted people to come and understand what we are doing. So as you see, Gandhi Automation, we are into entrance automation and loading bay equipment.
And the organizers are very nice, good arrangement all the time. Their promotion tactics are different than others, so we are always getting good platform to participate in this particular show.
IED
they have managed to pull new crowd to this particular place.
IIT always brings the right set of customers.
India offer a lot of control solutions to different industrial segments. The response is good.
It means that I think we have put the pandemic well past behind us. This year, it seems to be a bigger and a better version. Wish the IIT Communications all the best.
A spirit of genuine people and the respect and hospitality that you're treated with. You have to come here to experience it.
5G is going to be a very important enabler when it comes to traceability.
So we provide solution for connecting anything to anything. That could be on copper, fiber and RF and coaxial networks. The Automation Expo team for supporting us and inviting us to be a part of this.
I think we can say the age of robots and cobots. It's coming forward.
Thank Automation for bringing the crowd back to the pavilion.
So here we are talking about safety in the automation fair, that more and more users, more and more designers of the safety field, they are here.
Into motion control automation, and we zeroed down on automation, and we have been participating quite regularly in Automation Expo.
Dedicated to all automation team who created this exhibition. This time I hear from the people that slowly this automation exhibition is taking complete shifting to another paradigm, another extreme.
To automation and to Bomber. Whoa! We're so happy to see happy faces, happy exhibitors, happy visitors, and the last thing but not the least team, a very, very happy IED team.
My experience exponentially increases as I meet all of you.
Since last 5 to 10 years, the automation has become inevitable.
So this is currently new launch product, and we are partner for this robot for all over India.
We are happy.
Wonderful so far.
Excited to be here. Very much happy. It is satisfying.
Great show. 100% successful. It is fantastic. Fabulous.
Then I heard about IIT Communications and the scale at which their organization is similar or on par with what a German exhibit.
There is a good footfall.
New innovations in automation.
So it should be very good for networking future business plans.
More number of players into automation, especially into electronics.
The number of varieties we find here.
Single place where we can find multiple vendors.
तो बहुत सारी नए स्टॉल दिख रहे हैं, नई इंडस्ट्री दिख रही है.
Yeah, it's good companies are participated this year. We are seeing lots of customers are coming.
We are thankful for Automation Expo and the IDE for giving us this platform and to showcase our products on this platform.
I believe automation is something which keeps the industries ahead. A good show and good luck to the organizers.
So the best takeaway that we have from this exhibition is that we have got a good, let's say, leads or contacts now network from the automation sector.
This year it has been a very good experience for us. We have never experienced such a visitors in automation so far.
This platform has given us a very good opportunity, and we look forward to a very good increase in the business also.
So this is what the right time we wanted to invest in this exhibition to get new customers for new applications.
So this year we are showing the applications of conveyors. Our expectations have been met in Automation 2022.
Good kind of opportunities to discuss with the customers, and there are varied kind of customers coming in.
This can also build in very fast equipments, and it can reduce the laborer's job.
Whosoever has participated is a winner.
Great success coming with your business, and
and seeing you next year.